Guys, today we're going to be opening up 5 evolution packs. Our first card, we've got a Doduo, Staryu, Seal, Charmander, Magnemite, Metapod, Professor Oak's Hint, Koffing, Charmeleon, and a Mewtwo. Oh, it's a tough one. Our first is a Revive, Slowbro Spirit Link, Super Potion, a Weedle, Machop, Tangela, Vulpix, Fire Energy, Nidoran Male, and a Gyarados Holo. Our first is a Nidorino, Double Colourless Energy, Charizard Spirit Link, a Drowsy, Magikarp, Electabuzz, Rattata, Growlithe, and a Fighting Energy, and a Mega Slowbro EX. I'll just leave that up. On to our next pack. Slowbro Spirit Link, Kakuna, Energy Retrieval, Vulpix, a Dark Energy, Magikarp, Weedle, Electabuzz, Switch, and a Zapdos Holo. The last pack. Charmeleon, Double Colourless Energy, Devolution Spray, a Ghastly, Sandshrew, Weedle, Tangela, Ponyta, and a Machamp Rake. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.